So we have 2020, right? 2023? 2022, okay.
Question mark.
2022, question 10. They said, cock base from Fem, Pepisco have 23 brands in total. Doritos and Tropicana are two of their most popular products. Calculate the opportunity cost of Pepisco moving from point D to point H on the production possibility frontier. First, what is the PPF? It is a graph. Maybe the past paper that you're going to have in the exams, we might not see it now, probably it's going to be part of the exams. So PPF, it is a graph that shows the combination of two goods that can be produced if all resources are fully employed. So we call it PPF or PPC. PPF or PPC, production possibility curve or production possibility frontier. That is the meaning of PPF. Now, going back to the question, based on the question, they said, calculate the opportunity cost of Pepisco moving from point D to point H. From point B, point D as from point D, we have Pepisco. So, a PPF, it's a graph. For every PPF, there's opportunity cost, which simply means either we produce more of this or produce less of this. So from the graph, we have Doritos from 0 to 90. For Tropicana, we have 90 to 0. 0 to 90, 90 to 0. So now they say there's a movement from D to H. For Pepisco, from D to H. In Pepisco D, we have, for Pepisco in D, it is 50. Then it's moving from, and H is what? H is 90. At D for Tropicana, wait. The lines. D, A, B, C, D, it's there. So there's a movement from D to H. For two products, we have Doritos and Tropicana. This is the graph. On that graph, we have Doritos, we have Tropicana. So before now, Doritos was 50, Tropicana was 62 at point D. Now, Doritos is moving from point D to H, that's 50 to 90. And when it moves from 50 to 90, what happens to Tropicana? Tropicana will reduce from 62 to 0. Because an opportunity cost. If more of this is produced, less of this will be produced. That is opportunity cost. So based on what we have here, Tropicana, Doritos was 50 before now, and Tropicana was 62. Now there's a movement from D to H. The movement from D to H means 90 Doritos will be produced and 0 of Tropicana will be produced. So the opportunity cost is the 62 of Tropicana. 62 of Tropicana. That won't be produced. You don't get it?